How do you buy an ordinal? If you're new to Bitcoin or ordinals, today on DGen Reports, we're going to cover how to do just that. Maybe you're from Solana, which is cool. Or maybe you're making the switch over from Ethereum, which makes sense. Or maybe you're from Cardano? Wherever you're from, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can set up your Bitcoin wallet. I'm also going to show you the easiest way you can swap your chain's currency into Bitcoin. And then we're going to go and purchase an ordinal together. I'll also cover 4 projects that I might be looking to pick up right now if I had the liquidity. All right, you ready to go shopping for an ordinal? Let's get it. The very first step is to get yourself a Bitcoin wallet. We've got 2 options here. We've got Xverse and we've got Magic Eden. I recommend both, especially if you're bullish on Magic Eden and the Diamonds airdrop, which hasn't happened yet. And if you don't have either wallet yet, I do recommend that you set up both, especially if you're interested in farming. That's what the Magic Eden wallet is good for, at least right now. Both wallets are excellent when it comes to functionality. However, we should note some differences. Xverse is the OG. Xverse is a Bitcoin dedicated wallet, and Xverse is also only a wallet. In contrast, Magic Eden is a marketplace first. It was a Solana marketplace first, and then it expanded to ordinals, Ethereum, and other chains. And despite having a wallet, it is a marketplace first. I do know that narratives and loyalties matter to some folks, so I just thought I'd give that context. I personally use both, but my primary is Xverse. And I have a few ME wallets to farm points on. We've had these diamond things coming forever. I know it's been a long while. Everyone's super bearish on diamonds now, but I'm kind of bullish. I'm always bullish on free airdrops. Where a brand recognizes that if they screw up the airdrop, it's probably not going to be a good look for the brand. Anyway, let's talk about how to set up your wallet. All right, here we are, Xverse. Download. You can download it for Chrome here, add to Brave, and then, yeah, I'm not going to go over here. Obviously, you guys know how to write down your seed phrase, store it in a safe place. Obviously, do not store your seed phrase in the same place as you store your ledger if you're using a ledger. Also, don't store it anywhere near your computer. All right. Once you write down your seed phrase and you get your wallet set up, then you can do a little bit of magic. Okay, let's take a look at the Magic Eden wallet as well. Magic Eden, click on wallet here, download for Chrome, add to Brave, you know what to do. Same steps. Now, once you've got your wallet set up, we need to add some funds. We need to add some Bitcoin. So let's say that you're from Solana. Hello, Solana friends. We go to simpleswap.io. Simpleswap.io is the alpha. Of course, you can always use your ME wallet to swap directly as well. I tried it. It's actually super convenient and fast. I was quite impressed. But for the purpose of this example, we will use Jupe. Let's say we want to transfer this much. One sec. You guys can't see this, but I'm going into my wallets right now. Okay, exchange. All right, so once you click on exchange, it will bring you to this page. So you gotta put in your Bitcoin address here. Make sure it's your Bitcoin address and not your ordinal or runes address. They're 2 different addresses, and you can see that in your wallet. So create an exchange, and voila. So awaiting your deposit. We copy this, we go into our Phantom wallet, and we decide to send 1325. Sent. Now we wait. All right, we're back. As you can see, this amount of Jupe has been transferred to this wallet address. So we can take a look. We can actually go to Magic Eden, and we can check my wallet. Connect. Yes. Bingo. All right, now you can see that there's a little bit of Bitcoin in the wallet, so we can go shopping for an ordinal. So we go here. I do have one I've been looking at. I have been looking at Pizza Ninjas. So I actually held Pizza Ninja before and I sold it. I don't know which one I want, but it's gonna have to be near the floor. So for context, I usually do put in an offer unless I see one that I really like, because you can just put in an offer and there's a chance it'll go fairly quickly because some folks really want quick access to liquidity. But yeah, out of these, which ones am I feeling? In times like these, I remember a quote from a friend of mine, Billy, the founder of DeBozo's on top. He says, live on the floor. So I actually like this one. I also like this one. You know what? Let me pause and ask my girlfriend, because she has really good taste. All right, guys, we're back. It's going to have to be the Thread Ninja. Show yourself. All right, yeah, he's clean. He's pretty cute. He's a thread ninja. Start. I don't really know how this works, but I am super bullish on this project. Bruh, it is so cute. Make sure to add mempool protection. I just saw someone who had their OMB sniped and it was not good. So submit your transaction in the mempool. The Xverse stuff that comes up isn't going to be visible here. So I'll confirm here, confirm, transaction submitted. Check back on this page later. When you buy anything on Bitcoin right now, you're going to have to add mempool protection because there are snipers out there. I can do a separate video on sniping. I do snipe sometimes. Gotta go through. In 9 minutes, we'll find out. Fees are super low right now. Should be good. All right, so let's talk about the 4 projects that I'm bullish on if you're just getting started, and I think they're at a discount right now. Number 1 is obviously Pizza Ninjas. I'm super bullish on Pizza Ninjas, especially with Trevor and what he's building, and Jan's connected to the project as well, and Trevor knows his shit. So I would not fade him in the long run. BTC Machines is another one. And of course, they're up 51%. I really want to buy one. Fomojis. Fomojis is super cheap. Bitcoin Bandits is another one. And the last one, I'll give you one more. I think it's OCM Genesis. Yeah, as well as Fomojis. The original Fomojis is a bit more expensive, but Fomoji 2.0 is quite affordable right now. I didn't like the art, but it actually grew on me. And I do find some of these like really cute. This is the original one. And these, of course, are priced way higher. One thing I forgot to mention is that if you're into art, art is on Bitcoin. So one awesome project is by Restey, BitBlocks. You see all these projects by Restey. I love Billy. He is an artist who epitomizes the concept of art marrying technology because he uses recursive tech on Bitcoin to create these works of art. We can take a look at this one, for example. This is, it says here, user-generated code-based art using recursion to source data from other inscriptions. So this one sourced data from this Bitcoin frog and turned it into this, which is super awesome. But yeah, that gives you an idea of some super undervalued projects on Bitcoin right now. Just as a bonus, Ordzar Pass. Ordzar is going to cook. I love the team. They're fantastic. 2 more projects that I'm bullish on. Oh wow, BTC DeGods just keeps falling. All right, that pretty much covers our episode for today. Get yourself a Bitcoin wallet. Use simpleswap.io to swap your chain's currency to Bitcoin. And then go pick up your first ordinal, have fun, think a bit about it. There's quite a few factors to consider when you do buy art on Bitcoin, but I covered a few undervalued projects that I believe you would be proud to have in your portfolio, especially in the near future. And do let me know if you end up picking up an ordinal, and I would love to see what you got. Let me know in the comments or feel free to DM me on Twitter. All right, folks, today we looked at how to buy an ordinal. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it helpful. If you're into art, ordinals, tech, and communities like me, subscribe to the channel. Maybe give me a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm your host, Valeri Yoshi. You've been watching DGen Reports. Ciao.